This men's Girard Perregaux Vintage 1945 is a gently pre-owned luxury watch with a clean, sleek look that makes modern elegance part of your everyday wardrobe. This piece features a stainless steel case, crown, bezel, and bracelet. The stainless steel bracelet will fit a wrist up to 7.25 inches and uses a butterfly clasp. The case measures 29 millimeters wide without the crown, 43 millimeters long with the lugs, and 9 millimeters thick. An automatic movement powers the hour and minute hands, which revolve around a classic beige dial and point to numeric hour markers. Subsidiary seconds can be found at 6 o'clock. This is a simple, refined, and remarkable timepiece built to last. 300 watches. Infinite possibilities.